Let's take this overboard now.
Doesn't make sense, no. She just got things are getting intense, I hear you talking about we have that voice be fresh,
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Taylor Simone. If you are not, welcome back, and welcome back. We are on day 3 of 14 Shades of Pink, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. This has not been easy. Making videos back to back, editing, uploading, coming with the content has been a challenge in your girl's life. But this challenge has been for a good thing, because this series has taught me that I can do it. If I put my mind to it, if I really sit down, if I really plot, y'all, I can really do it with no problem. So with that being said, you guys, again, welcome to day 3. Y'all, I'm about to jazz it up for y'all. I'm really about to jazz it up. Yeah, I don't think y'all ready for today's look. If y'all seen in the first clip, your girl, we getting razzle dazzle, okay? And so, you know, of course, I have to put on my Tarte Shape Concealer all over the lids to make that shadow really stick and pop today. This look, you guys, was not easy at all. I struggled. But you know, what's my favorite thing? Trust the process. Trust the process. But again, I'm going in that new pink shade, and I'm just going to put that all over the crease, and as well as we're going to use a hot pink today as well. So y'all, I'm very excited for this look. Again, it was not easy, but we pushed it through. Okay. In this series, I also need you guys to help me share the videos. Whichever video that you like the most so far out of day 1 through today's video, please make sure you share it. Please make sure you subscribe and give a big thumbs up. I have a goal that I am trying to reach with this series, and it will be a big help if y'all can help your girl reach her goals. We all got goals. You better have some goals, okay? We all have goals in life, so we want to make sure that we are sharing, and hitting that thumbs up. And make sure as well you have your post notification bell on, because these videos are getting dropped every single day at 2 p.m. Central Time. I'm Central, so okay, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So yeah, y'all, watch me do my thing. Y'all already know how I'm about to do it, lovely. I'm about to show y'all. We finna vibe out to the music, and we finna see what it's giving, okay? Let me know down below in the comment section. Is it giving or is it not? But don't come too hard with the hate comments, okay? All right, you guys, enjoy this day 3 series of 14 Shades of Pink. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, love.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn up on. I wanna let you Now would you please swing my way?
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my
Keep about to let you know you make me so.